Hey, what's going on, everyone? Mike here in the BFH garage, headed back down to the junkyard. I think we have a very good chance of scoring some good stuff today. We had a 2004 TJ come into one of the yards. It got posted late yesterday afternoon, and I was clear on the other side of town, so I wasn't able to get there before they closed, but hopefully everybody else is in the same boat. It was kind of a late add to the yard, and there's a good chance we're going to get there and find some things. The thing I like about this particular TJ at the yard at LKQ is that they posted the VIN number on it, so I was able to run the VIN number on the build sheet. And by running the VIN number, I can see that that axle came stock with the Dana 44. I'm sorry, came with the stock rear Dana 44 axle. Let me get over here. And then there's a bunch of other parts on there. Somebody was kind of modding up a little bit, not stuff I would do, but there are other parts on there. And usually when you see stuff like that on a Jeep in a yard, that means there could be other things on that Jeep that could be good to pick and resell. For example, if you have that 4-inch lift, more than likely they're probably going to have a slip yoke eliminator on that transfer case, as well as a double cardan shaft. And so things like that I can pick up, keep as spares around the shop where I could sell them and turn the money back into the shop and get other things done. So stay tuned. We'll get to the yard. Keep your fingers crossed. We'll see what's there, and it could either be a really short day, it could be a really long day. All right, here we're at the junkyard. The hardtop's already gone, so I have a feeling everything's going to be. No, I thought everything's going to be picked. Hang on. Jackpot. And there's some Bilstein 5100 shocks. Those will be good if they're in good shape. Wheels and tires don't care so much about. That grill's an actually good, well, could be interesting to see. Take a look at a transfer case. Slip yoke eliminator, drive shaft. This is a total jackpot day here. You have Corbeau seats. They're filthy. I'm not sure what condition they're in. I got some work to do today. This is going to be good. All right, now that I've got to take a pretty good look at this thing, coming back to it, like I said, the grill's in great shape. It's got a Poison Spider steering box skid. It has a metal cloak track bar. Stock steering's not going to help me, but it has the Bilstein shocks all the way around. It's got a Dana 44 rear. It has these rock sliders here that I'll grab. It has, what else? My goodness, got the Dana 44 in the back. It's got the 231 with the double cardan shaft there. This is going to be a great pick for me. It's rare that you see this much stuff still in a Jeep, so I'm pretty darn happy right now. All right, I just left the LKQ, and I tell you what an incredible day. Complete jackpot for me. All these parts that I picked, I plan on just selling. There's nothing there that I really need, but they're all good, desirable parts from other people. So let's see, I got a Dana 44 rear axle, complete assembly. I have a 231 transfer case with a slip yoke eliminator on it. I have a double cardan rear drive shaft. I got 2 sliders. I have 4 Bilstein 5100 shocks that are virtually new. I got the grill. I have a steering box cover. I got the PCM. I got some lights for the grill. I know there's other things I'm missing, but man, this is a total jackpot. It'll take me a little bit to sell everything, but that'll be fine because you know, those things take time. This is a big win for me. I'm happy for it. Time to get back to the shop, go through everything, get all cleaned up, get it all listed, and hopefully we'll get it sold soon. And all that stuff just goes right back into my next projects on my Jeep, and that's kind of the way. Overall, for a day at the junkyard for one Jeep, picking parts, this is pretty darn good. The nice thing about this Jeep was it wasn't wrecked. It was abandoned, and then they got turned in there, so there's no damage to anything. But I got everything I needed. We're good to go.